So hello everyone guys, today I'm gonna show you that how you can make a simple bot which can be used in the classrooms, uh, which can take attendance of the students and whether mark it as absent or present. Suppose like our teacher does that, the teacher one by one calls our name or our roll number and marked as absent or present. So here we I just made a simple bot which can do the same work like our teacher does. And I've just defined names of the students rather than defining roll numbers. You can define roll numbers also. Simply have to put the roll numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 uh, in place of these names. But I've just taken names of the students rather than placing the roll numbers. And I've just taken 4 because it will be fine. If you want to increase the roll numbers, if you want to increase the names of the students in the dictionary, you can increase just add a comma, double quotations, and the student name here. Suppose I have to add one name. Suppose the name is Pandey. It's one of my friend names, Pandey. It is taking. Okay, now it's right. And now we'll check that our code runs or not here. Just see.
Is Alice present or absent?
Present, present,
Alice is marked as present. Is Bob present or absent?
absent, absent,
Bob is marked as absent. Is Charlie present or absent?
present, present,
Charlie is marked as present. Is David present or absent?
absent, absent,
David is marked as absent. Is Pandey present or absent?
present, present.
Pandey is marked as present.
So here you can see that our bot has called the name of the students one by one and has just spoken the sentence that the student student is present or absent. Then from our page it has recognized that it is what we said, that absent or present. On that basis he has marked a particular student as absent or present. It's just as simple. It is not complicated as that. And we have added the additional student as Pandey in that, and our bot has spoken that also. And later the output is like this. The bot has printed the output like this, so we don't have to mark present or absent like that our teacher does, that this okay, this particular student is present or absent. Like that it is means it is literally saving the work of the students, but it has some problems also. It can't be implemented practically in any classrooms because it will need a means very high end microphones or sensitive microphones with which can reduce the background noise and something. Means it needs to be trained with the NLP and natural language processing also to understand the language and to understand, to minimize the background noises also. Okay, now I will explain. Here you can see the output that it has printed output as Alice is present, Bob is absent, Charlie is present, David is present, absent, Pandey is present, like that. Now I will discuss about the code, of course. So here you are using two libraries now, that is speech recognition, and the second one is pyttsx. Speech recognition is for understanding and recognizing the speech from ourselves also, that we are speaking. It should be recognized by our bot with the help of the microphone. And pyttsx is the engine that is we have given to our bot to speak that particular sentence or a particular line, or we want to make him speak to us with the help of speakers. So it is much simpler than we think that it is complicated. Now, first you will import the libraries here, that is speech recognition as SR, and then pyttsx3 library. 1 minute. Then we'll create a recognizer and microphone objects here. From the speech recognition, we have just defined a recog equals to SR dot recognizer and microphone equals to SR dot microphone. That's simple. We have to set now the text to speech engine with the help of pyttsx3 library. Just we have to define engine equals to pyttsx3 dot init. Around the back round brackets. Then we have to set this rate of speech to a slower speed. Then we have to set the engine property with the help of this engine dot set property, in bracket quotation single quotations rate, and just define the speed. You can change 100, 150. Then we have to create a dictionary, means list of the students that are containing the student names or student roll numbers, like this I have defined in the square brackets here with the double quotations. Then we have create an empty dictionary. Okay, this is the dictionary for students that are containing the names of the students. This is this attendance dictionary, which will contain the attendance of the student, not a particular student, whether alive, present or absent. It will be printed in this dictionary. Okay, then we have to set a loop to the list of the students. We are setting the loop for this list of the students, and listen for the attendance from our with the help of mic, and when we say present, then we take as present, like that. So we have defined that loop for that, for students dictionary and student. And we have defined that first you print is student one by one. Okay, one by one. So first it will be start from Alice, then it will end second Bob, and then third Charlie. Is Then student first name is student is allies, and it will take allies as a student, and print is present or absent. Now just what I've done, that I just make that bot to speak that sentence, rather than just printing it on our screen. It will speak. And what we will use for speaking that particular sentence or particular question, we just use the engine.say. With the help of pyttsx3, you can do that. We are just use the engine.say and bracket, copy the opposite sentence and paste it below, and just end it with engine.run and wait. Then we'll we have to use a microphone as source for recognizing our voice. I've just used this to reduce the background noise and the sensitivity, and to increase the sensitivity of microphone. First of all, it was not taking absent or present. That's why I've added this code from Google, because I didn't know that how to do reduce ambient noise, and that's why I've did from Google. I'm just taking the reduce ambient noise, and set the threshold to 400. And again the pause threshold is 0.5. It means first it will run for 0.5, and then take a break for 0.5, and then again it will start, like that. And what I've done is, you can see that when it was saying that is alias present or absent, I was saying 2 times. Why I was saying 2 times? Because that break, that it was taking a pause in the microphone, it won't take a single present. That's why it will just give an output that I couldn't understand. That's why I'm speaking 2 times present, then taking some break, and again saying present, and then it is confirming it is present and then printing it as present, like that. Then we have to and recognize the speech. Let's try to recognize our voice and then convert it into text and print it. At attendance, it is saved in attendance status. That with the help of the Google, it will print the sentence that I've said. That means I will set present and that plus attendance to status of that particular student. Here, the conditions are set here. If the if condition, the help of if conditions, the attendance underscore status dot low, if equals to present, then the attendance of that particular student is present and will print that that particular student is marked as present, like that. And I've just try make him to speak this sentence with the help of engine.say and end up with engine.run and wait. Elf means if this condition didn't match, okay, this is the condition for present, and this is the we are explaining this condition for absent, and if the response is absent, then it will take the attendance of that particular student as absent and print this sentence that particular student is marked as absent. If both conditions are not there, then else conditions is used. That if both conditions are not matched, then you should print that invalid response. Means whether the speech is different, whether I said, if suppose in the place of present I say that uh, no present or no absent, then it will print invalid response for that. And in case there are exceptions added, that if suppose it couldn't understand above speech with the help of microphone, or due to the background noises or something, it will directly print it could not understand audio. And in the last, we have defined our empty dictionary here. We just it will just print it. And if you want to make him to speak, let's attendance, then you can add simply here that engine dot say, and here you can just print attendance, okay, and just give it the engine dot run. Here it is, okay, and wait, like this only, and it's the end of our bot. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of projects. I'm just working on this type of projects, so simple, and making different projects in every uh, sector. We can use our AI and Python knowledge. Thank you for watching. Bye.